Hey everyone, so I'm underneath my 2006 Honda Element here. Reason because there has been a horrible knocking noise coming from this area that it's pretty loud and annoying. So what I've had done with the mechanic is they replaced the differential mount, which was an expensive job, also the control arm bearings. Neither of those fixed the problem. So I had a friend of mine tell me to check out the sway bar bushings, which is this guy right here. And it looked fine on the outside. So that's why I kind of never even bothered to take a look at it, because it looked okay. But the problem was the part of the bushing that holds the sway arm in place. And this is the new one actually in already. I've already done this, but here's the old one. And this was all stretched out in here in the center, which was making the sway bar rattle. The new one's nice and tight, took care of the problem. And this part is only like $3.80. I needed two of them, so for for around $7, it was a fix, and I was able to do it myself, because all you got to do is take this screw out, and there's one on the other side. It's very simple. You've got a socket wrench, you can do it. You do not need a mechanic. It took me about 15 minutes. So that's the one on the right side. There's the one on the left. Both of those have been replaced, and that has taken out a really nasty knocking sound for very little cost. I'm very happy with the outcome. I wish I would have done this first. So posting this video for anybody who has a Honda Element. This one is a 2006. But if you have a rear knocking noise, this would be the first place I would look. Replace these bushings. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.